Hello, here's SWC team, and you are watching a video digest in which we share the most important events in the history of string transport and SWC over the past weeks. In this release, progress of string technology project in India, promotion for partners in honor of Anatoli Unitsky's anniversary. UST was visited by a delegation from a Russian technical university. Let's not waste time and get straight to the first event. UST Incorporated continues to explore the application of UST technology in various regions. Cooperation of UST Incorporated with India remains a priority. 2 agreements have been signed for the implementation of UST transport and infrastructure complexes. As part of the promotion for Anatoli Unitsky's anniversary, we have combined 2 key projects, to the development of which Anatoli Eduardovich puts all his efforts. Now you can support the development of UST and UTerra projects at the same time. Register UTerra lots under Uni 75 promotion and get bonus portions in UST project. UST Incorporated Media Center published the results of the meeting with the management of the Siberian State Industrial University. Rector of the university Alexei Yuryev and Prorector for Research and Innovation Sergei Konovalov received full information about the specifics of the company's work, as well as about the activities of the design bureaus. As a reminder, UST Incorporated and the university signed an agreement on cooperation in the scientific and educational field. That was the main news for today. Please do put your likes and leave your comments for this release. See you soon.